Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, and today we're going to check out Joe Rocket's Speedmaster Carbon. So, believe it or not, Joe Rocket, who's not typically known for their helmets, has made a sick, full carbon, full face helmet that is the lightest DOT and Snell approved helmet on the market, and the MSRP is under $400, right at $399. So this is just a smoking deal. The only thing we have that's nearly this light is probably some Suomi stuff. This extra large, we put it on the scale, it weighed 3 pounds 3 ounces, which is really rare air. So it really is light. And not only is it light, but it looks bitchin' because it's got 4x4 carbon weave on it. And inside it's got a dual density foam liner and then removable washable headliner and cheek pads in this thing. They went with kind of the carbon look on the inside too. The visor is a ratchet. It's got kind of a couple different stops here. It's not a full positive, it's not a clip style lock, but it's a pretty positive. I mean, it takes some pressure to get that to pop, so I would trust that. It's got top and bottom vents that are closable. The switches are a little on the small side, but I'd say they're passable. We have a air diffuser here and exhaust ports on the back. As you can see, it's Snell and DOT. As far as the fit goes, I'd say this runs true. It's slightly more round than oval fit, and yeah, the extra large fit me right on the money, which is true. Again, $399, the Joe Rocket Speedmaster Carbon DOT and Snell rated helmet, the lightest Snell helmet on the market today. Thanks for watching, everybody, and ride safe.